What you doing, Tippy? What you doing? What are you doing? Why are you licking his leg? Why? You can't lick his leg right now. Tippy, what are you doing? Hey, don't growl. Come on. That's so weird. Why are you even doing that? Oh, okay. I'll leave. Tippy. You don't lick his leg. That's so weird. One sub equals, oh my gosh. Every sub makes Tippy happy. If you want to make Tippy happy, then subscribe, because he wants you to subscribe right now. Like, look at him. He's so sad. Well, he's not really sad. I just am totally not doing this just to get subscribers, but I don't even know. Are you gonna say goodbye? Subscribe. Peace.